What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally OnePlus has started rolling out Android 11 for OnePlus 6 series and it was expected to be released in the month of September, but great job done by OnePlus and they have rolled out the first open beta based on Android 11 for OnePlus 6 and 60. So here I have my OnePlus 60 on which I'm running latest Android 11 open beta 1. I've already installed it on my device. Let's talk about the software information. So if you take a look at the Oxygen OS version, it says Oxygen OS Open Beta 75. And if you guys are already running Open Beta on your OnePlus 6 or 60, which was based on Android 10, then you might receive an OTA update. Or else both the files are given in the description below. You can download the file, place it inside the internal storage of your device. So as you can see here, I have placed the file inside the internal storage and avoid placing it inside any of the folders. Once you do that, go to Settings, System Update. Tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade and you'll be able to see the file. Also guys, migrating from stable channel to beta channel will not affect your data, and if you guys can wait for a day or two, then wait for my complete review because I'll be using this device as my primary device and I'll update you guys about any major bugs to be seen or not. So here you can see the software information. Android version is Android 11 and we have received the 1st July 2021 security patch and the build date is of 30th June. And I know till now most of the OnePlus users are aware about changes in Oxygen OS 11. Basically, Oxygen OS was also meant for better single-hand usage. And this is how your new dialer will look. We have all the three sections at the bottom, which is favorite, history and contacts. Here most of the system applications have been updated. Like talking about messaging app, the current version of messaging app is version 6.0 and this is the updated messaging app from where you can also enable new AI powered OnePlus messaging services. You just need to add your number and you're good to go. After that, we don't see any major bump in the camera application. With Android 11, camera version is version 3.14. And this was the camera version on the previous update. And here we have a huge list of changelogs which are related to system, OnePlus Game Space application, camera, ambient display, dark mode and shelf. So changelogs under system, first one they say they have updated Oxygen OS 11 version for OnePlus 6 series, and after that fresh new UI design. And if you are new to Oxygen OS 11, then you'll see lots of UI changes with the latest Android 11 for OnePlus 6 series. And most of the UI changes you guys will notice in the system applications. So here we have the quick setting panel, and as I showed, applications like dialer, messaging, gallery, all these things have been updated, and also you'll have a noticeable change in the settings panel. Until now I haven't found any kind of jitters or lag while using the device. Till now Android 11 build seems to be doing good on my OnePlus 60, but I won't judge it so soon. I'll be doing a thorough testing of this device using it as my primary device. And the next changelog is related to GameSpace application. So here let me show you the version of GameSpace application after this update, which is now version 2.9. And on Android 10 also, the application version was 2.9. On this latest build of Android 11, OnePlus have added this new gaming tool. I'm exactly not sure whether this feature was available on Android 10 or not. So you guys let me know in the comment section below. And this is the new gaming tool where you get access to few social media applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. Then we have this Pro mode, which was initially Fanatic mode. And then you can also activate mistouch prevention. This will avoid pull down of notification panel while doing gaming. And you can also access other things like screen recorder and rewind recording. On the top you get to see time, CPU temperature and the battery percentage. Though we still don't get to see the FPS meter on this latest build of Oxygen OS for OnePlus 6 series. And the gaming tool can be activated from both the side, either from the left top corner or from the right top corner. Then OnePlus have also done few changes in the camera UI. So let's open up the camera application, and here you can see few UI changes have been done. But if you talk about the new features, you don't get to see any new features added on this latest camera version or on Android 11 for OnePlus 6 series. So basically there are few UI changes done related to camera. And talking about the improvements in camera or picture quality, that you'll guys get to know in my review video. And after that, OnePlus have also added always on display feature on OnePlus 6 series, which can be found inside the display settings, going to ambient display, and here we have the option of always on display, in which you can schedule it or you can keep it on throughout the day. But don't get much excited guys, because always on display feature was also added on OnePlus 7 series running beta program, but it never made through stable channel. So I'm not exactly sure whether this will make it to stable channel for OnePlus 6 series or not. Under always on display, We also get to see this new canvas feature, and along with that we also get to see few new clock styles. And this is how always on display works on OnePlus 6 series. Talking about canvas feature, so here you can use any particular image of yours and the system will automatically create an outline of that particular photo. So let's give it a try. I have one photo of mine, and after you enable canvas feature, this is how it looks. After that, OnePlus have also added this new dark mode on Android 11. Basically, I'm not a huge fan of dark mode on OnePlus devices running OxygenOS 11. We get to see this grayish color instead of that pitch dark theme. Though we have few additional options for dark theme in which you can enable manual mode, or you can also choose between automatically enabling from sunset to sunrise. And if you want, you can also set custom time range. And OnePlus also provides this feature of force dark mode if third-party applications doesn't support dark theme. You can just tap on this manage apps in dark mode and manually trigger dark mode from here. And now last but not the least, OnePlus have also done few changes in the shelf. You get to see new UI and clear interface. And we'll also get to see this new weather widget in the OnePlus shelf. So guys, these were the changes which comes on OxygenOS 11 for OnePlus 6 series. And I won't recommend you guys to update your device right now. Wait for my review, and if I notice any major bugs, I'll update you guys about the same. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.